Welcome to the mesmerizing world of apple cider vinegar, where nature's finest fruits are transformed through a secret, ancient process of fermentation and pure precision. Experience the raw power and beauty of the harvest as we dive deep into the industrial heart of a facility dedicated to creating liquid gold from apples. Witness the mysterious dance of the mother culture, the living soul of the vinegar that holds all the health-boosting enzymes and natural goodness we crave today. Every single drop tells a story of patience, quality, and a commitment to preserving the pure essence of the orchard for your health and daily culinary delights. The journey begins at the break of dawn as massive shipments of freshly harvested apples arrive from local orchards, ready to be processed at their nutritional peak. But tons of premium fruit cascade like a red river, filling the air with a sweet, crisp aroma that signals the start of the production cycle for today. This massive volume of fruit is the foundation of quality, ensuring that only the most flavorful and juice-rich apples make it into the final bottled product. Before any processing can occur, every single apple must undergo a rigorous cleaning process to remove every trace of dust and nature from its smooth skin. Powerful water jets x-ray the surface of the fruit, using high-pressure technology to ensure a level of cleanliness that exceeds the highest international food safety standards. The rhythmic spinning of the rollers ensures that every inch of the apple is scrubbed clean, preparing them for the transformation into pure, raw cider vinegar. This efficient system processes thousands of pounds per hour, maintaining a continuous flow that is essential for the high-scale production required by modern health movements. Precision is key, so advanced robotic systems work alongside human inspectors to identify and remove any fruit that does not meet our strict quality criteria today. The human eye provides the final layer of quality control, ensuring that only the most perfect, unblemished apples proceed to the crushing and pressing stage next. Every apple is a promise of health, and by selecting only the finest specimens, we guarantee a final product that is rich in flavor and nutrients. Now, clean and sorted, the apples are elevated to the next stage of the journey, where their physical form will be broken down to release juice. The crushing begins as powerful stainless steel blades spin at incredible speeds, ready to pulverize the fruit into a fine red pulp known as apple pomace. The sound of progress fills the room as the whole apples are instantly transformed, breaking down the cell walls to prepare for the heavy pressing process. This thick pomace contains all the elements of the apple, built from the sweet nectar to the nutritious skins, all ready to be squeezed for their essence. The pulp is carefully distributed to ensure even pressure during the extraction phase, maximizing the yield of the precious juice that will soon become vinegar. Each layer is meticulously prepared, creating a sandwich of fruit and fiber that allows the juice to flow freely while keeping the solids firmly in place. The heavy hydraulic press begins its slow, powerful descent, exerting tons of pressure to extract every single drop of liquid gold from the crushed fruit. Under immense pressure, the juice begins to seep through the filter funnels, a beautiful sight that marks the birth of the raw cider we are seeking. Watch as the vibrant golden liquid bursts forth, carrying the concentrated flavor and health-giving properties of hundreds of apples in every single rhythmic flowing stream. The streams unite into a glorious waterfall of raw cider, a pure and unfiltered liquid that is the essential starting point for any premium vinegar product. The raw juice is immediately channeled through sterilized pipes, rushing toward the fermentation hall where the complex chemical magic of nature is about to take place. Once the juice is fully extracted, the remaining apple solids are revealed as dry, compressed cakes, marking the end of the mechanical pressing phase for today. In our zero-waste process, these nutrient-rich solids are collected and repurposed, often becoming high-quality organic feed for local farm animals and cattle in the area. The collection basin holds thousands of gallons of fresh cider, its surface frothy and alive with the natural sugars that will soon feed the fermentation process. Initial samples are tested for sugar content and purity, ensuring that the raw material is perfectly balanced before the yeast is introduced to the liquid mixture. The scale of this operation is a testament to the global demand for high-quality apple cider, a staple in modern healthy kitchens around the world. We enter the silent, temperature-controlled world of the fermentation hall, where the air is cool and the process of transformation happens slowly and naturally over time. The juice is pumped into these colossal vessels, which are designed to protect the liquid from light and oxygen during the critical first stage of alcohol fermentation. Specialized yeast strains are carefully introduced, beginning the conversion of natural apple sugars into ethanol, the first essential step in creating a powerful, effective vinegar. As the yeast works, the liquid comes alive with activity, producing a steady stream of carbon dioxide bubbles that signal a healthy and vigorous fermentation process. The rhythmic popping of bubbles is a sign that the sugars are being successfully consumed, transforming the sweet juice into a hard, dry apple cider base. Over the coming weeks, the liquid matures, its flavor profile deepening and its chemical composition shifting as it prepares for the second stage of its incredible journey. Now, the true magic begins with the introduction of the mother, a complex community of beneficial bacteria that will turn the alcohol into acetic acid. This delicate, cloudy veil is the hallmark of raw vinegar, containing the proteins and friendly bacteria that provide the numerous health benefits for which Guillaume Tao is famous. Under the surface, billions of acetic acid bacteria work tirelessly, breathing in oxygen and exhaling the sharp, tangy acidity that defines the character of high-quality vinegar. Careful aeration is provided to ensure the bacteria have the oxygen they need to thrive, thus maintaining the perfect environment for a slow and steady natural fermentation. In this quiet sanctuary, patience is the most important ingredient, as the vinegar is allowed to age until it reaches the peak of its potency and flavor. Our expert team monitors the progress daily, taking precise samples to ensure that the acidity levels and flavor profile are developing exactly according to our standards. Data-driven precision meets traditional methods, as modern technology helps us track the delicate balance of the fermentation process with absolute accuracy and total control. We target a specific pH level that ensures the vinegar is both safe and effective, providing the optimal digestive and metabolic support that our customers expect. The result is a raw, unfiltered masterpiece, packed with enzymes and beneficial nutrients that are often lost in more commercial, highly processed vinegar production methods. This massive scale allows us to bring the benefits of traditional fermentation to millions of people without ever compromising on the quality of each individual batch. Every tank represents a commitment to excellence, housed in a sterile environment that protects the integrity of the natural fermentation from any outside contamination. As the vinegar reaches maturity, it develops a deep amber hue and a complex, pungent aroma that is the true signature of a high-quality product. The presence of the mother is our guarantee of authenticity, proving that this vinegar is a living, natural product ready to be shared with the world. The final stage begins as a literal army of empty glass bottles marches toward the filling station, marking the start of the high-speed packaging process. Each bottle is subjected to intense sterilization, using advanced UV light and purified air to ensure that the container is as pure as the vinegar. Perfectly clean and sparkling, the glass bottles move in a rhythmic dance, ready to receive the golden liquid that has been months in the making. The filling process is a marvel of engineering, with multiple nozzles operating in perfect synchronization to fill every bottle with exactly the right amount of vinegar. Watch the beautiful amber liquid as it fills the glass, a satisfying and precise movement that ensures consistency and quality across every single bottle produced. Next, the high-speed tapping machine secures each bottle with an airtight seal, locking in the freshness and protecting the live cultures within from the outside air. This hermetic seal is crucial for maintaining the long-term stability of the vinegar, ensuring that the mother remains active and healthy until it reaches your home. And every bottle is automatically inspected by high-speed cameras and sensors, rejecting any that do not meet our perfect standards for fill level or glass integrity. The branding is applied in a flash of motion, as the iconic labels are wrapped around the glass, identifying the product as a premium, organic choice. This final touch ensures that every bottle looks as good as the product inside, reflecting our commitment to quality in every aspect of the brand. The sheer volume of production is a testament to our efficiency, yet we treat every single bottle with the care of a handcrafted artisanal care. Traceability is paramount, so every bottle is laser-marked with a unique batch code, allowing us to track its journey from the orchard to your pantry. The automated systems continue their work, grouping the finished products into sets, ready to be safely packed for their journey to stores around the world. Sturdy shipping boxes are formed in seconds. It was designed to protect the fragile glass bottles during transit across oceans and continents to reach our global customers. With a gentle touch, the bottles are placed into their protective dividers, ensuring they arrive in perfect condition, ready to be used by health-conscious consumers. The boxes are sealed and sent on their way, moving down the final stretch of the production line toward the massive distribution and storage center. Powerful robotic arms stack the pallets with superhuman precision, optimizing every square inch of space for shipping efficiency and safety in the warehouse today. The entire pallet is shrink-wrapped in protective plastic, a final layer of security that keeps the shipment stable during its journey across the global supply chain. From here, our premium apple cider vinegar travels to every corner of the globe, bringing the health benefits of the orchard to millions of homes. Finally, yes, the journey ends where it matters most, in your kitchen, where health and flavor meet in the simple daily rituals of a balanced lifestyle. Open a bottle of pure nature and feel the connection to the orchard as the sharp, fresh scent of real apples fills the air in your kitchen. Whether used in a simple dressing or a morning health tonic, our vinegar provides the raw, unfiltered essence of quality that you can truly taste and feel. The rich, complex texture of the mother blends perfectly with other natural ingredients, creating a culinary experience that is as beautiful as it is nutritious. Elevate your meals with the tang of the orchard, knowing that every drop is packed with the enzymes and minerals your body needs to thrive every day. Join the millions who start their day with this simple, ancient tonic, a natural way to support your digestion and energy throughout your busy modern life. From the farm to your table, we are proud to bring you the finest apple cider vinegar, crafted by nature and perfected by our passion for quality.